Good afternoon, students. This is Rajkumar Yadav, and today we are going to learn some more things on circles. You know that your chapter circle is going on. Now today, last time we have done the 10.1, theorem number 10.1, and that is the radius and the tangent have at right angle. These are two sides are at right angle. But now we are going to study about theorem 10.2, that is, if there is a circle, if there is a circle and having a center in a circle COR, you know about this thing, that is what is the meaning of COR. O is the center and R is the radius. We are given external point, that is P, and we have two tangent PA and PB, like so. Then we are in this circle PA and PB are two tangents. It is given. Now to prove is these tangents are equal, means PA is equals to PB. Then we have to construct something, that is construction. Join OA, OP and OB. Join OA, OP and OB. Now in proof, we have to see these two triangles OAP and OBP, right? In OAP and OBP, we have to prove these two triangles as congruent triangles, and then if we can do this, the congruency of these two triangles, by CPCT we can say that PA is equals to PB. So we are going to prove this congruent triangles, right? So let's see, in triangle OAP and in triangle OBP, you know that OA is equals to OB, right? The radii of the same circle, radii of the same circle. Also, you know that this angle is equals to this one, each 90, because the last theorem in 10.1 we have already learned about this, that the radius and the tangent is always at right angle, right? So we can have each 90, and this is OP is equals to OP, right? This is common. So we have now these OAP congruent to triangle OBP, right? And if we have these two triangles congruent by RHS, you see that there is a right angle, there is a hypotenuse, that is common, and there is a side, that is called RHS. So we can have this now congruent. So by CPCT we can say that this PA is equals to PB by CPCT. So thus we can have this type of theorem, guys. You can prove this and learn this, and then we will talk for further details, right? So you can write here, you can pause your video to see till the last and write it properly. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.